Hi, my name is Eric Weber, representing the Workplace Wellness Association of Southern Africa. I have an important invitation for you. On the 20th of March 2025, we're launching WWASA with an exciting and impactful webinar. Boost workplace productivity through the Wellness Wheel and formulate your strategy for 2025. We all know that workplace wellness is no longer a nice to have. It's an essential. And organizations prioritizing workplace wellness see increased productivity, reduced absenteeism, and enhanced overall performance. This webinar is specifically designed for HR professionals, wellness coordinators, and business leaders to do the following: understand the wellness wheel and how it will transform your workplace culture. Discover how WWASA can effectively support your organization in wellness initiatives and gain access to free toolkits and valuable industry insights to elevate your workplace well-being. By attending, you'll also have a chance to contribute to important workplace wellness research. So why wait? Click on the link and register now. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your workplace wellness strategy. Help us and join us in building a healthier, more productive workplace.